Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can create an embed code for your photos and images you edit on Adobe Lightroom in 2026. So let us get started. So head over to your photo image you would like to edit and share on Lightroom. So let's assume, for instance, you would like to embed the given image on your own online blog, for instance, or website. This is how it works, guys. So what you want to do is click into that button in the top right corner, select share a link, wait for a brief moment, and after that you will be redirected to that window. So from here, guys, click into this button next to the invite button, and that is going to give you access to that embed code. So you may add it, for example, or make it part of a slideshow on your own web page. Simply highlight it, copy it, click into this button, and paste it into your website or web page settings. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.